We're breaking down the 7 specialty pavilions at PACK EXPO International. These pavilions are shows within a show, designed to help you zero in on targeted solutions. In the Logistics Pavilion, you'll find improved supply chain solutions and be able to connect with new logistic partners. For food and beverage manufacturers, the Processing Zone is a great place to start your show experience. In the Package Printing Pavilion, discover cost-effective technology for customization, on-demand print, and smart packaging. Indulge in the candy-making technology at the Confectionery Pavilion and network in the Candy Bar Lounge. Think outside the box for supply chain solutions that are eco-friendly in the Reusable Packaging Pavilion. And find new and sustainable materials in the Containers and Materials Pavilion. Finally, the Healthcare Packaging Pavilion is your one-stop shop for pharmaceuticals, biologics, and medical device solutions and more. The show is bigger than ever and one you can't afford to miss. Register today and get ready to be amazed. See you in Chicago.